Good morning and welcome to my productive Saturday vlog. I know this is obviously not the type of video that you're normally used to seeing from me, but I just recently got myself a new vlogging camera and I was really excited to play around with it. And also, my apartment is a complete mess and so am I a little bit. So I thought it might be fun and a little bit satisfying to clean the house together and get our shit together this weekend. First order of business, I just woke up and I am dehydrated as so I'm gonna go and get myself some water and then get ready for the day. On a normal work day, I would like to say that I don't have the time, but I probably would have the time. I just don't have the patience to make a breakfast like this. This morning I want to try out these easy oat bakes that I've been seeing on TikTok. Just gonna throw this together and put it in the oven for like 30 minutes. See, normally I wouldn't want to wait that long, but we will today. And while the oats are baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare routine, probably listen to Outlander. Let's go drink this and wash my face. This past week has been a really wild one at work, and I feel like I was just kind of running to try to catch up with stuff, and you know, next week will probably be like that at work too. But at least today I can hopefully kind of get the house looking a little bit more organized again, clean everything thoroughly, and feel better about life in that way. All right. Doing your hair and makeup definitely isn't necessary for a day of cleaning the house, but it makes me feel more like I have my life in order, so. As I was saying, today is about cleaning the house, getting my shit together. So why don't I just show you a little bit of what we're working with. It pains me in a way to do this because it's kind of embarrassing, but I really feel like we've all been there, and I know that by the end of the day I'm gonna be able to make this place spotless, maybe, but at least a lot better than it is now. Okay, time for a mess tour. Over here on the windowsill we have boxes from our little curtain robots that have yet to be dealt with, a bunch of dead plants that I need to clean up. Oh, takeout containers from last night, a tripod, more plates and stuff from last night, a Coke Zero can. My desk is obviously cluttered, a bunch of boxes from like the mail because I got stuff yesterday, including this camera. Cool. Dishes beyond belief that need to be dealt with, more stuff left over from takeout food, and this, I just got this out this morning. And we've got some laundry that needs to get put away, but that's less of a big deal. Also, the bathroom is just a little bit cluttered. It needs a clean. And that is what I have to tackle today. So we'll see. Hopefully I can get it all done this morning, and then maybe this afternoon do like fun, relaxing stuff. But for now, this all needs to be dealt with. But first, I'm still waiting for that oatmeal to bake. Can you understand now why I don't normally make that? Okay, obviously it's still really hot, but I want to do a taste test and see. Pretty good. I was worried about it being like kind of mushy, but I think it looks, it's like baked oatmeal, you know? Yeah, it's pretty good. I feel like if I made it again, more oats, a little less liquid, maybe baked it longer, but I'm also impatient. It's good. All right, I'm finally done breakfast, and now it is really time to clean the house. So I'm just gonna get started with the kitchen stuff and we will see how it goes. that's all of the dishes done. I think kitchen is clean. Feeling good about that. Once the dishes are dry, I shall put them away. And now it's a question between, do I tidy my desk next or do the bathroom? I think we're just gonna go ahead and try to get the bathroom done. And man, I am shocked because I'm seeing my little low battery light on my camera right now. This is the second battery that I've gone through already recording this video. So my first impression of this camera so far is that, man, does it just eat through batteries? Like, I guess we'll put in another one and we'll see how it goes. I haven't even been recording that much footage, I feel like, so. All right, and that's the bathroom done. That's satisfying. This bathroom was like really gross, and gave it a deep clean, and it's looking fresh, smelling good. Time to deal with this. All right, now a lot of the standard stuff is done. We could stop here, but I feel like I'm on a roll, and there's kind of two main areas that have been really neglected over the past several weeks, months really, and that is the laundry closet and also the like TV stand cabinet thing. So I think I'm gonna start with the closet. Let's just have a look in here so you can see the mountain I have to climb right now. Okay, yep, yeah. So this is what's happening in there. Let's we'll just try our best. It's been a very productive morning. I have cleaned the kitchen so beautifully, and now we're just gonna make it messy again, but hopefully not as bad. We're gonna make tacos for lunch. My lovely husband over here is already starting to do that for us. After I clean the bathroom, clean the kitchen, wash the dishes, reorganize the closet, cleaned up the cabinet under the TV, and he took out some garbage for us, so.
Wow.
I did a lot of stuff. You do have to.
You did a lot of work this morning.
I did. I was very productive.
And we don't need to compare it to anybody else.
Okay, you're right. We all contribute. So we're gonna eat lunch now, and it's looking really sunny out, so I feel like it might be a good afternoon to go for a walk somewhere, go for a hike, even though I think it's pretty cold. I'm so ready for winter to be over and finally have some warm weather, but it's good to get outside anyway. I feel so satisfied having cleaned up the whole apartment like this. I feel like it was really needing it for a while, and just in general lately I've been feeling like overwhelmed and sort of like things are a little bit out of control and that I don't have a handle on what's going on, and like there's definitely still stuff that I need to get under control, especially like around work. But having a clean space makes me feel a lot better. It just makes me feel a little more organized and a little less anxious. This looks really good. Thanks for cooking for us.
You're welcome.
Should we be taking the laundry off before we go?
Laundry lives another day.
Okay.
No, we gotta get out there while the sun's shining.
You're right. I can't believe that it's like 3 o'clock already. So.
And then after that, we will put the laundry away.
Okay, what
I
are we
promise.
doing?
We're gonna go on a hike.
Oh man, the mountains call my number one.
Okay, I'm finally ready now. Bye, Roomba. Where are we going?
I'll tell you on the way.
Okay. Okay, so where are we going?
We're going to Dune in Cambridge. It's about a 15-minute drive, and we're going to hike on a trail to an old sawmill.
Oh, cool.
Down by the Grand River.
That sounds fun. I honestly did not know that until just right now, so. But yeah, sounds good to me.
Here we are.
Yeah.
There's the trail.
This entire path is completely ice.
We have to go that way.
I don't know if I'll make it back up the hill. Is that really the best? Be careful! No! Stop! Stop!
I made it.
Oh my gosh!
Don't go. Don't do what I did. It's not that slippery.
It's not that steep, so it's taking me a long time to slide towards you.
It's slippery. It's a slippery hill.
You have to take like the runaway ramp like trucks do in the mountains, you know?
Yeah.
Because you got going too quick and the brakes were burnt out.
But look at this. It's beautiful.
It is really pretty here. All things considered, this building is not that old. Like, it was built new in like, I don't know, the 3rd or 4th decade of the 1800s. And now it is not but a ruin. Do you think if I like put my hand against it, I'll travel into a different time?
Oh, probably, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know if I want to go back to early 1800s Canada.
You don't have any gemstones on you, though.
No, I don't. And there's probably not that many hot guys wearing kilts there.
Oh.
This is completely treacherous. I am like trying to walk on the snow. Are we sure? I might just slide on my butt again. You all have to know we are dedicated to getting outside and getting fresh air and activity because we risk life and limb. Because every single one of these hiking trails we've gone on this winter has been completely just an ice sheet. Because it's snow, people walk on it, they pack the snow down. It was especially like warm last week, so then that would have melted and now it's froze into a massive skating rink. Okay. Always look for the crunchy snow. That's the lesson. We made it back.
We are back to the dirty car.
How long have we been hiking?
A little over 2 hours.
Yeah, and it was treacherous at some points.
But we made it.
We made it back even after there was one hill I didn't film because it was too scary, but I did slide down it on my butt because it was very icy. Yeah, I intentionally. Anyway, my thighs and my butt are numb now.
Let's go get a treat.
Yeah, okay, let's go get a treat.
Hi, can I get 2 apple pies and a regular shamrock shake?
I don't know if you can tell, but I'm filming on my phone now because the camera died. I've gone through 5 full batteries today, and I feel like I haven't been filming that much, so.
There you are.
Thank you.
You ever had a shamrock shake?
I've never had a shamrock shake before. It is
Don't spill it.
I'm not spilling it. I'm showing that it's an alarming color of green, and I think it looks so silly because you're obviously in a t-shirt and I'm like bundled up.
It got warm.
That's really yummy, actually. I really like
some.
mint flavored ice cream. And that is definitely that. It's tasty.
So good.
Okay, my favorite thing at McDonald's. One of the few things we can eat at McDonald's. Apple pies. Astounding that McDonald's doesn't have a veggie burger yet.
But problems are solved by a hiking trail.
Look,
What?
you're doing good work.
Thank you.
Now, again, we've gotten out the camera to show you working, but somehow there isn't any footage of me working. Like when I chopped up and rinsed all this cauliflower.
Start filming yourself working and then the people will know. We're making cauliflower wings for supper, which is one of our favorite like weekend meals. It takes a long time because we have to bake them for like about an hour, flipping them halfway in between, and yeah, so it takes a long time, but it's very tasty. And now that I've done my part of making the batter, I'm gonna leave it to Dan.
So when there's tasty cauliflower wings to eat, just know that I did most of the steps.
But I was called over here to make the batter because apparently that's my thing. So I've made it now. So you're welcome.
Okay, you can go watch your TikToks for the next hour and a half.
Okay, well,
I'll let
then
you
watch
know when
YouTube.
they're ready.
We're at the saucing stage, so I just came back from my YouTube break, and we're gonna put sauce on them and then bake them for just a few more minutes, right? And then they'll be
Yeah,
ready to
just
go.
make the sauce quick.
And then we're probably gonna watch the hockey game.
Yeah.
'Cause we're a hockey family. Ignore our dirty oven, it's all good. And that brings us to the end of a productive Get Your Shit Together Saturday. I feel good about it. The house is clean and we got outside and got some exercise. And now I'm gonna put clean sheets on our bed and it's gonna be like the perfect end to this kind of day. I hope you've enjoyed watching this obviously different style of video for me. I do want to keep experimenting with posting vlog or like lifestyle type videos on Fridays. So make sure you let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for future videos. I'm thinking maybe doing some about style or minimalism. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, like if you watched to this point whatsoever, please do comment, even if you don't have suggestions for a future video, because I want to know who you are if you're still watching to this point, because obviously you're a true homie if you got this far, or if you clicked on this video at all, really. And I really appreciate it because this is the kind of video that I really love to make, and so I'd just love to know who's enjoying them. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure you watch my apartment tour from last week. And as always, I hope that you are having adventures and following your dreams, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.